McLain, did you have fun today?
Yeah.
McLain, hi.
Hi.
Do you want to play today?
Yay.
Yay! Do you want to play with Play-Doh? McLain, what do you have? Oh! Wow.
That's so fast.
That was fast. What are you doing? McLain, where did you get this Play-Doh?
I potato in a big mess.
It made a big mess?
Yeah.
Where did you get it? Did you get it at Christmas?
Yeah.
You did? What?
That's
What is that?
a super here.
I think it's a comb.
Comb maybe. Wait.
Comb.
Wish.
What else do you have? What's this?
It's really open shut. Crack.
Whoa. What is it? Is that scissors?
Scissors.
Those are scissors.
Scissors. Ow.
Scissors. Who's this guy? Oh no. Who's this guy? Who's that guy? What is he?
That's guy.
Is that a Minion? You've got a regular Minion and an evil Minion.
That's Superman.
Look, what is this?
A chair.
That's their chair. What did they do in that chair?
It's not fit.
Oh, we need to make it fit?
Yeah.
We need the bottom part of the chair. There's the bottom part. It's got a banana.
Oh.
Mommy will help. Oh no. Can you do it?
By itself.
Do it by yourself?
Yeah. And by itself will do it. Yeah.
You did it, McLain. Good job.
Astronaut is black. Is the color trees. Is happy.
It's happy.
Yeah.
Do you want to make their hair grow?
Sure.
Okay. Well, you gotta put them on the seat first. Do you remember how?
Yeah. And push.
We got yellow Play-Doh. We have blue Play-Doh. We have orange Play-Doh, and where's the other Play-Doh?
I don't know.
Okay, let's find it. Okay. There it is! You found it! What color is it? Pink! Good job. All right. What color is this? Yellow. What color is that? Blue. And what color is that? Orange. So you want to make this? Wow. Do you want to make the Minion's hair grow? Push it down. It's going to be all kinds of crazy colors because it's already been mixed up. Push hard. Push hard. Oh, wow. Look at that.
Look at this.
Hey, can we make it grow more? Are you combing it? Push hard. Push hard. Make it grow. Wow, that is a good haircut.
It's his haircut.
This is haircut. What color? Okay, bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
See you next time.
See you next time. Subscribe to the channel.